What is internet capital markets? So I'm going to give you an analogy, I'm going to tell you a story to compare or to explain what I mean by internet capital markets. So you know how in traditional markets or the regular apps all these popular apps, you hear they've raised these millions of dollars, they've raised that millions of dollars, or you hear that a bank is they're selling their shares, or a company is selling their shares, and you've been hearing, or you want to buy the shares so that when the value goes up and all of that. That is traditional capital markets. So these companies and these products, they want to raise money to scale their businesses or to even, there are different series of fundraising. There's the angel funding, pre-seed, seed, all of those things, right? Series A, Series B, merger and acquisition, all of those things, different series of funding. So now, to raise all those fundings, you have to look out for investors. There's so many paperwork. Sometimes you might just what you need might not be a lot of money, right? And you have to jump through a lot of hoops. So now, that is traditional capital markets, ability to, when you raise funds through shares, investors, and all of investors and all of that. Now, let's compare it to internet capital markets. Internet capital market is when companies raise funds directly without the middlemen like the banks, without they raise directly from their investors. All they need to do is to show the investors this is the value. Anybody anywhere can invest in the idea. It's not limited by geography. It's not limited by geography. You can stay somewhere, maybe in a remote area, in a very remote area, in a place, in a city, and sell your idea, and anybody anywhere can invest in that with any amount of money, no matter how small or no matter how big. There's no limitation. So, and you're able to raise money. Now, let me point you to give you a simple example in your case. Now, let's look at Solana for example. Solana, if you Google Solana now, you see Solana as a top search for internet capital markets. Now, we have an idea. We want to be an idea. You want to, something you want to solve, a problem you want to solve. On Solana right now, there are platforms. There are Dev.Fund, Proof.new, platforms that you can use to create an MVP or put that idea into, visualize it, a working application that can show your idea, and so you'll be able to present that idea and then be able to now raise money. Now this platform, another unique thing about this platform is that you can also launch tokens around your product, around your business idea, and then people are able to invest into your idea. So people are able to go from idea to product validation or to idea validation, and then they're able to raise money without the regular bottlenecks or the regular middlemen and challenges. Now, another beautiful thing about the internet capital markets, that all these things are tracked on chain. They are tracked on the blockchain. Now, in the traditional market sense, this is the money, the fund, everything you raise that goes through, traditional platforms like the banks and all those brokers and middlemen. Yeah, but in the internet capital market sense, right? Everything is tracked on the blockchain. For example, the Solana blockchain now, everything is tracked there, and then you have a whole worldwide community that can support your idea. All you just have to do is you have an idea, a groundbreaking, world-breaking, or even the simplest idea that can solve a real problem, and you launch it you validate the idea, you show what it can look like using those app builders, those no-code builders. You don't need to be a developer to even do this. Anybody can launch an idea these days using this app builders, these AI builders, and then you build it out, and you begin to talk about your products, and then you begin to tell people about your products, and all they have to just click. They buy a few tokens of your product, and you have funding to scale your product. That is internet capital market. Now, I know that in the Web3 space now, we've what they call that we've bastardized so many things, like some people have bastardized stuff, right? But it doesn't change the fact that at the heart of the blockchain, at the heart of the internet capital markets, this thing already exists in traditional markets, but the Web3 space is making it easier and better. And one of the advantages of Solana is there's what we call throughput, right? Throughput is the ability of the blockchain to handle transactions anytime, any day, any amount of transaction, anytime, any day. And then this is about composability. I'm just giving a big word, which is the ability for anybody, anywhere to build an app on Solana blockchain. And then you have the fact that it is fast and it is cheap, right? You don't have to jump through hoops, jump through layers to be able to build or go from an idea to an MVP to funding. You can do that in minutes with all the tools and the community provided in Solana. And one beautiful community that I really like in Solana is so that trust me, we benefited from it. Like, my community, we benefited, me as an individual, I benefited. I mean, I'm one of the earliest members of Super Team, I mean, Clock it. One of the earliest members of Super Team, and it's been amazing. I've originally watched the community grow from few persons to being all over Nigeria and then different parts of the world. And they've super supported, they've helped people see their dreams come true, and people to be able to earn in the global space. That is really having to get a job, being able to win pounds and all of that. So that's the bit of the Ethereum capital market. And then we see products like River is in the middle. Like you need to follow River, RHIVE, and we see what they are already doing and positioning people to access funding in this Ethereum capital market. So it's a beautiful thing. So I hope I'll be able to break it down for you, make it, see you understand. So when you hear that capital market, what should come to your mind is the ability for people to raise funds without the middlemen like banks, like brokers, like all of this, like the way it happens in traditional capital markets. So see you in my next video.